Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's project and I think you're going to love it too. I've got some leftover paper raffia yarn here, but you can use any leftover yarn you have lying around your house. We're going to turn it into a stylish clutch or purse that you can crochet in just an hour. Just look at how cute and practical this is. It's perfect for holding your essentials when you don't feel like carrying a big bag. Whether you are crocheting items for fairs, looking for a last-minute birthday gift, or just want to have a fun project to work on, this one ticks all the boxes. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. For this project, I am going to use raffia in beige color and also a 3mm hook. I am going to start with 42 chain stitches. Once I finished 43 chain stitches, 42 are the stitches that I need and one chain stitch I need for the turning. So I'm going to now start the first row, and the first row it is going to be skip the first chain from the hook and half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first stitch of the row, so we are going to work with half double crochet. This is the first stitch, and again yarn over and half double crochet in the next chain stitch and continue crocheting half double crochet until the end, and in total you're going to have 42 half double crochet stitches. Okay, here we are. I finished 42 half double crochet stitches and now I'm going to do one chain. I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to yarn over, and I will skip the chain that I just crocheted. I will insert the hook in the stitch after the first chain, which is this one over here. And if you see, I'm just going to, so I will skip this one and I will insert here both loops and half double crochet. So this is the first stitch of the second row, and I'm just going to continue half double crochet on each stitch until the end of the row. In total, again for the second row, I'm going to have 42 half double crochet stitches. And here we are. I finished the second row and I'm going to crochet the same row, same what I did in the second one. I will just do one chain, which I already did, turn my work like this. And yeah, I'm going to continue crocheting half double crochet stitches for the third row, fourth and fifth row. So continue crocheting half double crochet stitches, in total 42, until you have in total 5 rows. Okay, here we are. I finished 6 rows, so forgive me for that. I needed 6 rows, not 5. So now I am going to, once I finish the 6th row, I am going to crochet 43 chain stitches. I finished 43 chain stitches. I'm going to skip the first chain and I'm going to insert the hook in the second chain from the hook, and I'm going to crochet a half double crochet, and I'm going to continue crocheting half double crochet on each chain. So I will continue until I have in total, so I will continue on each chain 1 half double crochet until here I will have until the first chain that I did here, I'm gonna have 42 half double crochet in totals. And then I'm going to continue to crochet one half double crochet on each stitch until the end. So let's continue 42 half double crochet on each chain. Okay, you guys, here it is. I finished 42 half double crochet stitches until the last chain over here, and now I'm going to crochet another 42 half double crochet stitches on each stitch until the end. So in total we are going to have 84 half double crochet stitches from the beginning here until the end. And here we are. This is how it looks, and I finished the first row with 84 half double crochet stitches, and now I'm just going to do one chain. I'm going to turn my work, I'm going to yarn over, I will skip the chain that I did, and I'm going to crochet one half double crochet in the first stitch of the row, and this is my first half double crochet. I will continue crocheting half double crochet until the end over here, in total 84 half double crochet stitches. Okay, here we are. I finished the second row, and I'm just going to continue working again one chain, turn my work, and I'm going to continue working half double crochet rows, forth and back, in total 84 half double crochet stitches. I'm going to crochet forth and back until I have in total 10 rows with 84 half double crochet stitches. Okay, so here we are. I did finish 10 rows with 84 half double crochet stitches forth and back, and now I'm going to work only this half over here. So I am going to crochet half double crochet until at this point over here, in total 42 half double crochet. So I'm going to start half double crochet row, and I'm going to crochet now, as I told you, not at this side, but at this other side, opposite the one that we did over here. So I'm going to crochet 42 half double crochet stitches. And here we are. I did finish 42 half double crochet stitches, and now I am just going to turn back and crochet again 42 half double crochet stitches on my way back. I'm going to continue that until I have in total 6 rows. Let me give you a bigger view what I am doing. So now I am working on this side 6 rows with half double crochet, 42 half double crochet. Okay, you guys, here we are. Actually, on this side, I did finish 8 rows forth and back. So let me explain one more time. Here we have 6 rows, here we have 10 rows, and here we have 8 rows. Now I am not going to cut this one because I'm going to need it for a border. So now I am going to fold it. Again, all the measurements, all the details, the written pattern, you can find it on my website. So we are going to fold this part first, like this. Then we are going to fold this under, like this. Align everything. This is going to be the 2 small pockets over here, and this is the big pocket, and this is the closing over here. Okay, so once you folded your work, like this. Then take a tapestry crochet with the same raffia color. Then what we are going to do is we are going to sew this side over here. Then we are going to sew these 2 parts over here all around. Then on this side we are going to sew this one with this one and also this one. So we are going to sew all these 3 together, and then here we're going to sew this one with this one until the end over here. So I'm going to first try to entangle my yarn. I already made a knot, and I'm going to entangle it somewhere here so it will not escape. So once it is very well entangled over here, I'm going to sew now to this side. Once this side is sewn, now we go for this side over here, the back one with the folded side. Now here we are. It looks like this. I'm gonna hide this one later. So I have one section and two, and you can leave it like this totally and put the flap, but in my case I do want to use it for cards, like credit cards and stuff like that. So I'm going to do a little sewing here in the middle. I'm going to connect this one in the middle with this one. Be careful not to connect it with the back side over here. So I'm just going to, again with the same yarn, I'm going to start from here, somehow in the middle here, and I will tangle the yarn, and then I'm going to sew this one with this one. That's what I'm going to try and do. So at this point I have two small pockets for the cards, one big pocket over here. And now I'm going to go all around with a single crochet row, all around this side over here, this opening over here, and then back here. So let's do one single crochet round. Just try to keep your work constant, and if you feel that you have worked too many stitches in a certain section, just frog it and then go back, crochet one more time. This is what I do all the time. It happens. So just keep crocheting single crochet stitches all around. Okay, you guys, here we are. I finished all around with single crochet. Now another thing that I want to add is two magnets, one on this side and one here. So I'm placing this one here. You have to find your favorite place because depends on your handwork. So I guess this one goes here and this one here. Let's sew this too. So I am sewing with a normal needle, sewing needle like this, and with some thread like this. Okay, you guys, and here we are. I did finish, and let me show you how it looks inside. So here it is. Very pretty. I think if you have your leftover yarn, or a raffia in this case, you can just make a very pretty clutch or purse, little purse. And I just did attach this handmade tag, but you can put some leather over here. And I think it's very pretty. So thank you for following this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next one. Bye! Tschüss!